So we need to make a video about collectiveness. And well, collectiveness indicates the quality or state of being a collective. Now, a collective comes from collectivus, colligere, which means to gather together. But are we really together? Are we really a collective, just a third of us? What about P.T. Pablo? Yes, all these 10 days, P.T. the spider was enjoying and participating to our gatherings. Until... What about Bara? Observing us passing by, waiting and waiting to receive the daily dose of food scraps. Getting to some cuddles here and there and some bad looks. Until the time of the knives comes. What about Renata? Yes, each night Renata passes by, noticing glow of flames unseen by everyone if not by her. And what about Remy, a little forest mouse, fond of cooking and French bread? Until... Not enough? Well, a family is growing here, united, lunching on some fresh grass with views of a French castle. More? Well, there is Treebird, which has been working hard to craft fresh oxygen air that keeps our night cool and fresh. The point we want to make here is to challenge the perspective of collectiveness as us, 28 participants, and how we humans behave with the true collective, sometimes destroying it. There is much more for the curious and attentive eye. What you need is to just be collective.